Guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for chat moderation. To use ChatGPT for chat moderation, you can follow these steps. First is set up an interface. You'll need to create an interface or integrate ChatGPT into your chat platform. This can involve setting on an API endpoint or using a chat widget to interact with the model. Second is define moderation guidelines. Establish clear guidelines and rules for acceptable user behavior and content in your chat platform. Determine what kind of language or behavior you want to moderate or filter. Third is implement a moderation system. Develop a system that monitors and filter users' message in real time. This can involve using a combination of automated filters and human moderation. Next is train a moderation model. Create a separate machine learning model specifically for chat moderation. Train it on a labeled dataset of conversation where each message is annotated as acceptable or potentially problematic. Use this model to predict and flag potential inappropriate message. Next is apply moderation rules. Use the predictions from the moderation model to apply appropriate actions such as blocking, warning, or flagging messages that violate the guidelines. You can automate some actions or involve human moderators or manual review if needed. Last is iterate and improve. Continuously monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of your moderation system. Adjust the moderation rules, improve the training data, or update the model to enhance its accuracy and reduce false positive or negatives. It's important to note that while ChatGPT can assist with chat moderation, it's crucial to regularly review and refine the system as it may not catch all instances of problematic content. Combining automated moderation with human oversight is generally recommended for effective and accurate moderation. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!